Being a teacher is hard, and being an early childhood teacher is really, really hard. You have to manage children with different schedules, different routines and needs who come from different families, all in one classroom. You have to be their counselor, their coach, their teacher, and their therapist. It can feel like trying to be Miss Frizzle, Vince Lombardi, Dr. Phil, and Mary Poppins all at the same time. The most recent decade of research has shown us that early experiences matter as an adult. They predict your chances of everything from getting a great job to getting heart disease. Most critically, stress and trauma in early childhood can have a lasting effect on us as adults. But that's only half the story. A nurturing and protective relationship with a caring adult is the #1 factor in predicting a child's future happiness and success. Meaningful relationships can even protect children from severe stressors like violence, abuse, and neglect. But who cares for the carers? Early childhood teachers are often alone in the classroom with maybe one other adult and 35 children and don't have access to basic benefits like medical care or even a break. My belief is we can't ask teachers to take care of children if we don't help them take care of themselves. At South by Southwest EDU, I want to host an interactive workshop where teachers get the chance to stop focusing on self-improvement and self-care and start focusing on the supportive, nurturing relationships that we know that they need in order to be better carers, better cared for, and to better protect the children that they serve. We know what works for our children. Let's better serve them by starting to do what works for us. Vote for Relationships to Help Teachers Help Early Learners on Panel Picker. Thanks, and we'll see you there.